I accidentally put laundry detergent in the washer near the end of the spin cycle, not the beginning. Would this cause detergent to be churned up in lots of mist particles and cling to the underside of the lid, sidewalls of the interior of the washer? Also, I put laundry detergent in the dryer by mistake. Would this cause a toxic residue to be left behind on the clothing that was dried?
Thank you for using JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear about the errors involving the laundry detergent in the washing machine and the dryer. I will do my best to answer your questions satisfactorily and earn an excellent service rating. Adding the laundry detergent to the end of the spin cycle is not going to harm the machine due to the mist particles clinging to the underside of the lid and sidewalls. I recommend taking these same clothes and running them through a rinse cycle in the washing machine with no laundry detergent added. If you like, you can also add a 1/4 cup of vinegar into the cup intended for the fabric softener. The vinegar acts as a rinse agent to eliminate soapy residue that builds up on the inside of the machine. Regarding the laundry detergent in the dryer, the majority of the laundry detergent was absorbed by the clothing, so again there should not be a concern over damage to the machine. I recommend taking these same clothes and running them through the washing machine an entire cycle with no laundry detergent added. Once the dryer is empty, then give the inside drum a good cleaning. Use a rag with a mild detergent solution and wipe down the inside where the clothes are put to dryer. Make sure that the removable filter is clear of lint and you will be good to go. One isolated event like this of adding a cup of laundry detergent to the clothes in the dryer is not going to leave behind a toxic residue, but I did recommend that these same clothes be cleaned prior to wearing them again. This will rinse out any of the soap that may be remaining in the materials. Thank you again for your question, and feel free to post any follow-up questions you may have. Home Improvement J41643.3610520833.
Thank you. Would repeatedly running the dryer eventually end up baking off or cooking off any lingering detergent residue inside the dryer? That is, heating up the detergent to the evaporation point so that the fume/vapor can be sucked outside through the vent. Or does it not work that way? Also, does detergent become more toxic or hazardous if heated to a high temperature? I'm guessing the inside of a dryer is like 170 degrees.
Repeatedly heating up the dryer to try and evaporate the laundry detergent is not a viable solution. I am sure that all of the laundry detergent was absorbed by the clothes when it was poured into the dryer. In the event that some of the detergent was in contact with the drum, it would have been dried up by the intense heat. This is why I recommended that you wipe down the interior of the dryer to remove any sort of dried residue that may be remaining. A simple cleaning of the inside of the dryer and a rewash of the clothes will be sufficient. No need to repeatedly heat up the dryer in an attempt to evaporate anything.
Thanks. I guess what I'm trying to get at, which I failed to mention, is that I am very sensitive to chemicals, so I need to make sure there is no lingering chemical residue from detergent in the dryer or washer. I suppose a thorough cleaning will have to be done, but worry that a wet cloth, water only, might lead to a bubbling/spreading effect instead if used on dried detergent.
Well, for the washing machine, I recommended adding a cup of the white vinegar to the fabric softener cup and running a full cycle. This will clean out any soapy residue that was left behind. In the dryer, wipe it down with a mild detergent solution, not just plain water on a rag. There is not going to be bubbling or spreading effect from a dry detergent. Just use a cleaning rag that is damp, not soaking wet, and give the inside of the drum a good scrub. It is a good idea to this as a general maintenance periodically anyways. On a side note, you should look into laundry detergents designed for people with chemical sensitivities. Country Save is a type of laundry detergent that advertises itself as being designed for people who have such sensitivity. It is worth some research on your part to determine if it may be of some help to you.
Thanks. And in general, does heating up detergent in the dryer make it more toxic? The detergent I used was of a natural, somewhat plant-based kind.
Heating up the detergent is not going to make it more toxic. Especially since you were already using a product that is a natural and plant-based. There will not be any lingering issues with the dryer or the clothes that you were drying.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.